This 1998 Jeep Wrangler is brought to you by RLB Sales and Leasing. 1998 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 4x4. This Wrangler is in above average condition inside and out for the year and mileage, and has been adult owned and driven. In addition, we have all the original owner and AMP number 39 S manuals and 4 keys. Features include 4 QUOT rough country lift kit, 17 QUOT MB motoring alloy wheels, air conditioning, Sony AM, FM, CD player with premium Sony X-Float speakers, Jensen amplifier, subwoofer, side steps, custom headlamps, front brush guard, cruise control, 5-speed manual transmission, and much more. This is a fantastic Wrangler with numerous features. Sure to please, this vehicle is in above average condition inside and out for the year and mileage. The exterior is in above average condition for the year and mileage. The alloy wheels are in good condition. The interior of this vehicle is in above average condition for the year and mileage. This Wrangler was owned by a non-smoker. It drives and looks fantastic. Visit us at rlbsalesandleasing.com.